Another gracious gift from my viewers. I love you guys. This one comes from Dave over at the High Nibble. I love the title here for the more significant bits. So Dave emailed me and said he was inspired by my IMSAI videos, me resurrecting the IMSAI. If you've come to the channel late, I started this channel by resurrecting an old IMSAI computer that I had sitting in the attic for 30 years and got it working again. So this is about 70 videos of me restoring a IMSAI computer and documenting the whole thing. I ended up selling it to another viewer who I know it's in good hands now. He was very excited to get it. So I've had twice the fun out of it. Once when I got it first, and then once when I repaired it the second time. So definitely got my fill of it. But it was hard to let it go. And Dave over the High Nibble also wanted an IMSAI very badly. And he's down in Australia, and it was hard for him to find an IMSAI. And so he said, well, if I can't find one, maybe I can build one. And so he's created a kit. So this isn't an 8080 based version. It is a clone, but it has the front panel, and it should have the look and feel of an IMSAI. Now, Dave, if you go to the High Nibble and go onto YouTube, he's got tons of YouTubes of him building this kit, so you can follow him step by step in building this kit and all the little tricks about putting the switches on and everything. But he contacted me and says, would you like to have one, And I said yes, because maybe it fills the void of the one that I left behind. So anyway, let's open the box. I just received it this morning. IMSAI dog was very excited to get the package and scared the mailman, so oh well. Okay, so it comes in this box. Now, I've watched some of his videos, and I know that the box is something you need to keep, because when you finally get it built, the box is the storage case. It's meant to be its home forever. Okay. Ooh, caution, warning. Warning, Will Robinson. This kit contains cut acrylic. It can have sharp edges, so be careful. Wear cotton gloves. Okay. This kit contains many small parts, so don't eat them. All right. So the next... oh, look at this. Oh, my. Oh, my. So one of the things I was worried about, I've seen IMSAI clones before, and it's the switches that set the good ones from the bad ones apart. Finding the correct switches is the whole game. Oh, these feel like the real deal. So the original ones I'm sure were C and K, and these look like clones. Oh, interesting. But they have the look and feel. I think I've even seen some people who 3D print the switches because I couldn't find them. These don't look 3D printed to me. These look like these were bought. Yeah, I'm going to have to find out where he got these things. They used to be super, super rare to find replacement switches for your IMSAI. People were charging tons of money for authentic replacement switches for IMSAIs. Because they did get smashed. They're kind of sticking at the front, and the little paddles will get snapped off, especially the little pivot point. It's a plastic pivot point that holds it in. So, yeah, pretty cool. So let's look at the Momentaries, see how they feel. They're a little stiff. Yeah, they're a little stiff. They're not C and K. They're not bad, but they're not C and K. They're not C and K. And here's the on-off switch. Very nice. Nice, good, snappy action. Oops. And everything's laser cut. Everything looks like really good. So instead of 8080, this is the brains now. It's a ESP32. So everything resides on here. I don't know if it's programmed or you have to program it. It does come with a flash. Just come with a flash ROM. So maybe it already has it on here. I don't know. There's a big bag of parts. Let's see here. Oops, something fell out. Huh. All the LEDs and stuff. RS-232 connectors. Oh, there's two of those. One used to go here. That's what that missing thing is. Bunch of plastic parts. Let's see, can I lift this out of here? Yeah, I think I can lift this out of here without putting anything on the floor. I don't want to do that. And here is the PC board. So that's a big PC board. You pay $1 for having one of these built. That's for sure. Let's see if I can get it out with my fingers. There we go. IMSAI 8080 replica CPA front panel and MPU, SIO, and FIF. I'm not sure what that is. So this is the front. So the LEDs, you know, these are your address lines, your data lines, your status lines, and the FF port. Very, very nice. Ah, and there it is. Look at that. Looks like the real deal. Very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, this is going to be fun. This is definitely going to be fun. I don't think I'll shoot any videos of me building it. Like I said, he's got so many videos already of it being built. But I'll definitely enjoy putting this thing together, and I'll show you it once it gets together, and give you my my 2 cents of how it feels. Does it feel like a real IMSAI or not? Yeah, really well done. Wow, very, very well done. I like it. All right, put that back. Anyway, many, many thanks go out to Dave again. This is going to be great. And it's nice and small, so I can have an IMSAI without it taking up any room. I mean, that's worth a lot. I still have my Zeta board for if I ever want to play in CPM land again. The Zeta board is great. I encourage everybody to do one of those Zeta projects. But this is going to be really nice if you need that tactile feel of a front panel. So, and then once you get it building, there's a, I didn't show it, but there's a metal case here. So there's a, I don't want to take it out because then I won't be able to put anything back in. But there's an actual metal frame that it sets in, and it's a nice heavy metal frame, like an 1/8 of an inch thick frame. So it should have a good look and feel. And then when it's all ready to be put away for the night, you can put it in this box. All right, the High Nibble, I'll put links in the description in case you want to check this out. And maybe you too want an IMSAI.